Got this Temgo 48-volt golf cart battery in for evaluation. So let's do a quick unboxing here. See what we're working with. What I'm thinking is we'll do the same sort of test that we did with the Alpon battery and see how they compare. They look pretty similar specification wise. Let's see what we got here. Got the manual, 51.2 volt, 100 amp hour. It's a 200 amp continuous discharge, same as the Alpon. Very well packed. Let's see what kind of accessories we have here. Okay, display. We've got the straps, hold down straps, and the hardware. Imagine this is the charger. Charger. 56.8 volt, 18 amp smart charger. This way. Now, first thing I notice is it's got the same situation. If you're not careful, the rope from your handle could get caught. This is the connector for the display. If you're not careful, that could be an issue right there. So I don't know why they put it right there. But looks pretty similar to the Alpon. This is the model TM 512100, 51.2 volts, 100 amp hour, 5,120 watt hours, max charge current 100 amp, max discharge 200 amp, charge voltage 56.8 to 58.4. And of course it's a LiFePO4. So nothing there. Might be able to get the specs from that. And that is very similar. Let me pull this over. We've got the VVOR set up here. With the Alpon battery. actually TM512100. TM512100. Well, it sure looks like it's the same battery. We've got the TM512100 and the Alpon TM512100. That's interesting. One of the tests I want to do, I mean, if they're the same battery, I don't know if it's really worth doing a side-by-side comparison, but what I want to do is parallel the two batteries. Here's the two displays. Let's go through this, and then we'll connect the display up to the other battery, see what it shows. Yep. All right, well, I mean, we can do a comparison. Probably isn't going to be much different than the Alpon. The more interesting thing is going to be parallel the two batteries and see what kind of runtime we can get on those two miners, the two S19s. We'll do each individually and see if they come in the same. I'll have to put a charge on this. So the next video, I'll have this hooked up to the VVOR. We'll do a runtime test with two Antminer S19s as the load and see how long it lasts. And then we can compare it to what we got out of the Alpon. And then we'll parallel the two and see what kind of runtime we get. All right, that's about it for this one, guys. Just a quick unboxing. I appreciate you. And until next time, adios.